Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming Safari is updated so private features work reliably. This avoids compatibility issues. Next, pick the private search service you prefer and, once chosen, install its app or extension if needed. Now open Safari settings and tap Search to begin configuration. This is where you change defaults. You do these steps first, because configuring without the right app or an up-to-date browser can block the private option or lose sync across devices. Once in search settings, change the default search engine to the private provider you installed. This directs all address bar searches there. Then enable Prevent Cross-Site Tracking and Fraudulent Website Warning to reduce fingerprinting and malicious redirects. If the service has an extension, open Extensions and enable it, granting only necessary permissions. If it's an app, open its preferences and enable Safari integration. These steps ensure searches remain private, and that Safari defers to the privacy controls of the chosen service. Now test. Type a query in Safari's address bar and verify the results show your private provider. If it still uses the old engine, clear Safari cache and cookies, then relaunch. This removes lingering preferences that can override changes. If problems persist, confirm the extension has permission and is enabled, or uninstall and reinstall the app or extension. One key troubleshooting tip: restart your device after reinstalling, because a full restart often resolves stubborn permission or sync issues that block private search.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.